you ever received these meshes on your dash on your Hino 268? But when you pull the radiator cap off, it's full of coolant. Now, if you had this problem, that's a sign of a bad level warning assembly. We're going to repair this. If you're not a subscriber, you know what to do. Hit that button. Let's get started and repair this. These are the items that I'm going to use for this job. A floor creeper, a clean drain pan, because I want to preserve and reuse the antifreeze that I drain out, disposable gloves, pliers. I'm going to use a 7/8 wrench, but you can use a 22mm wrench. We're going to crawl underneath the vehicle, and right here at the radiator section, sometimes you can just turn it with your finger, and I can. And this is our drain plug. It's going to be right pretty much in the kind of all to the right of the radiator. We're just going to turn it. And it helps if you actually take the radiator cap loose from the radiator. And what you want to do, you just want to drain out enough to actually get it down to where you can see the core. And if you notice in my Hino 268, I have blue antifreeze, and that's what you want to go back with. You never mix any type of antifreeze. If you have blue, you have to stay with blue. All right, that's good enough, and we're just gonna stop draining our radiator. That's all we need. Just want to be able to see the core. Just cut this off. Just hand tighten. If you notice, there's a clip right here. Just going to mash that in. Pull back. What we're going to do now, we're going to put our wrench on here. And it don't take much. Just want to unscrew it off. Here's our new one. And I don't see any thread sealer or anything like that on it. But I'm just going to put a little thread tape on here, just a little thin piece on the new one. And if you do so, you just want to make sure you turn your sensor clockwise. Anything to keep it from a possible leak. That should do it. I'm going to screw in our new sensor. And you don't have to tighten it too tight. Keep in mind, this radiator is plastic and this is metal. That's good right there. We're going to put our harness back in place. We're going to add back our coolant. Now, I failed to mention, you may need a funnel. It's a good time to change your antifreeze if it's time to be changed. I'm going to turn on our ignition switch. All right, that's what we want. Want to check for leaks. No leak at our drain plug. Now you know how to replace your level warning switch assembly on your Hino. I hope this video was helpful. Do not forget to subscribe. Do not forget to hit the notification bell, let you know when I have a video to come out. Take care and God bless.